In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my biggest online arbitrage sourcing cheat code. It is really a cheat code, and it is something that I've talked about a little bit in the past. It's my target list. In today's video, I wanted to show you a little bit more how I actually use it and answer to a couple of questions that are questions that come back often when it comes to the target list. So before we get into that, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube to help you guys become seven-figure sellers. So if you're new, like and subscribe so you get recommended more of those videos. You do not miss any video. All right, so let's get into my computer, and this is pretty much what my target list looks like. If you do not know what it is, what I call my target list is a list that when I started, actually, I built myself. I used to build this myself before I actually started sourcing, because this was pretty much what actually helped make things click for me when it comes to online arbitrage. This is what helped me bring some sort of consistency in the way I'm sourcing, and this is what actually made me able to start finding leads every single day. What a target list is, what I call a target list, is a list of all the sales that are currently going on online today, that we received an email for, that we saw whatever website was starting to have a sale. It is going to be added here. And so I know that every single day when I was building my target list myself, I would check every single one of those deals that are on the list. Now, right now, what my team do, what my VAs do is that they build this list for me. Okay, they build this list for me every single day, and they send it to me, and they can send it to you as well. If you go to the link in the description, you can subscribe. It's a little bit above $1 a day. It's $34.99 a month. They're going to send this list to you as well. Every single day at 11 a.m. they're going to send the list for you for the day, and they're going to keep adding deals throughout the day to that list. And this is the list. This is what I've been using, me and my team are using right now to source every single day. You know, like, this is what my unfair advantage is. My unfair advantage is that, you know, before, when I was building it myself, I was not able to get a list of deals of all the websites that are arbitrageable. Right now, we track I think we track close to 750 websites for deals. So checking their emails, checking the web page every single day to check if there's new deals, new coupons, you know, checking Rakuten Hot Deals, Top Cashback, checking like email newsletter all day. We track like close to 750 websites. Every single website that is on Tactical Arbitrage is on the target list. Every single website that is on Tactical Expander is on the target list. And this is my unfair advantage. My unfair advantage is that I have a team, pretty much me and my team have eyes everywhere. We have eyes everywhere because we know every single sale that is going on right now. And if there's a sale, and we even track, the truth is that we track websites that we don't even source, right? And so the reason why we do this is because we know that these websites are websites that people actually source from, right? That are potentially arbitrageable. And so if we end up finding a lead on a sale on one of those websites, we can actually go back to the deals that we have since February, because we've been doing this every single day since February, right? Every single day. This has been sent to you guys, and I've been using it this way every single day since February 12th, I'm sorry, right? And so we know that if we discover a new website, for example, I've never sourced Gap.com, I can just do a search for Gap.com for Gap, and I can see all the deals that they add, and I can pretty much figure out what type of sales they are having, how often the sales are coming, so I can draw patterns and like figure out sales cycles, right? But not only that, but this is really helpful when, you know, because this is something that you should absolutely be doing. You should absolutely have a target list, a list of target websites that you are going to check for the day. All right, you cannot just rely on storefront stalking. Okay, it's a dumb way to run your business. You cannot just rely on storefront stalking, and this is important as well. Like, storefront stalking is important. This is way more important. This is what is going to make the difference in your business. So once again, just quick side note, if you want to get it, there's a link in the description, a little bit over $1 a day, you can get my list. Now, the reason why this is really important, as I said, is because, you know, every single day, so today the team is actually already working, it's a little bit earlier, and maybe they're still checking deals from yesterday, because the team is also sourcing from me, right? But the reason why it's really important is because you do not realize that this task is a task that takes a lot of time. When I was doing mine myself, it was taking me around 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes to come up just with a few websites. So I did not have something as extensive as this, okay? If you actually look at this, there's a ton of websites. We have like at least 50 deals a day. And we check every single email that we receive every single day to make sure that there's no hidden deals, hidden coupons in those emails, and we add them there. You see that there are different types of promotion. We have sales, we have coupons, and we have clearance. So there are some difference in between what a sale, what a clearance, and a coupon is. And if you actually get the target list, I have actually training videos in the first email that you're going to receive that are going to explain to you the difference. And I talked about that in previous videos, but what I really want to talk about right now is that there are some people that ask one question that comes back often is, isn't it going to cause products to tank? No. The real truth is that, like, this is not a lead list. This is the thing that you need to understand. This is not a lead list. I'm not going to send you leads. I'm going to send you a list of promotion and of coupons that you can use to source. And that is a starting point to help you start sourcing. So no, it's not going to cause products to tank, okay? Because, for example, if there's a sale on Nike.com, everybody sourcing Nike.com knows that there's a sale on Nike.com. Okay, whether those products are on and even if those products are on a lead list or not, they are going to tank. A lot of them are going to tank, and you need to know your supplier. Okay, so this is a shortcut. This is a shortcut to help you start your day sourcing, to help you save a couple of hours. So every single morning, you know what website you can target for the day. You do not need to go through emails. You do not need to do all that shit. You can just get the target list, look in the target list, decide what websites you want your team to source, and based on that, start your sourcing. That's it. But you need to start your sourcing yourself. You need to figure out what type of gift card you're gonna get, what type of cashback, if the website has some membership rewards. This is the stuff that you need to figure out. The target list is a list of websites that you can target for the day. Websites that are known to be websites people actually buy online arbitrage products from, right? So this is what the target list is, and this is its purpose, okay? It's not a lead list. It's not going to give you leads. You need to put in work. It's not something that it is a shortcut. It is going to save you a ton of time. A ton of time. 100% is going to save you a ton of time. If you want to build something like this, okay, just by yourself, you could not do it by yourself every single day. I'm telling you, because if you want to build something like this, it's going to take you, like, we really work all day on this to make sure that, and we check every single day for all the deals from the past days that are expired. And so the truth is that right now there's like 40 to 50 people that are subscribed to the target list, right? The truth is that I can still go on the target, because I do not have any secret websites, okay? All the websites that I source are on this target list. Okay, there's no secret website, there's no other secret stuff. All the things that I source, all the sales that I source, all the sales that I look at are on this target list. The truth is that I can still go on the target list, go to a clearance, okay, go to a clearance sale that was 2 days ago, and still find leads that are still in stock and bring them out of stock myself while being late to that specific sale. Because it is not a lead list. This is the thing that you need to understand. There are still some stuff that you need to do afterwards. And I know that there are some people that have the target list that just got it, and that, a lot of people, and the truth is that a lot of people that have the target list are not using it every day because they are not sourcing every day as well. This is the thing that you need to understand. And like, at the end of the day, if this list was going to cause product tanking, what you need to understand is that we track every single website that is arbitrageable. If it was going to tank, it would mean that it would mean that pretty much this list makes online arbitrage not sustainable anymore, makes online arbitrage too competitive. It's not the case, okay? Because the website that you are sourcing, I guarantee that if you are doing online arbitrage right now, the sales and the websites that you are sourcing are going to be on this target list. If you are still able to source those websites, I guarantee that those websites are on the target list. You have no secret, you have no secret sale, you have no secret coupons, everything is on the target list. Okay, everything that is sent to email newsletter, everything that is sent to text message, everything that is on Rakuten, everything that is on top cashback, everything that is on all those training websites, everything is on the target list. So what the target list is going to help you do is figure out new sales, figure out new source, and figure out the sales cycle of those sources, and be able to have, as you keep adding this, as you have the target list for a long time, be able to have a large database, a huge database of sales that you can go back to and analyze to be able to figure out sales cycle. And this is the biggest cheat code when it comes to online arbitrage. And this is why I can literally stop working for I don't know, I could literally stop sourcing for 6 months. And I could just go back to the target list and go back where I was. Okay, because I know that the target list is there. I know exactly what I could source. I have a list of websites that I could source. That's it, okay? And this part of my business is automated. And this part of your business can be automated as well if you get a target list. $34.99, link in the description. And there's a video on the page that will explain what the target list is a little bit more if you need more help. And once you get the target list, there's a few videos that I sent with the first email that you will get that will teach you how to navigate the target list and how to use it to source. So that's my cheat code. It's literally available to you guys for a little bit over $1 a day. I cannot do better than that. Like, it's so cheap that, like, it's literally my cheat code. And I actually, like, share it with you guys. And this is literally what I use daily. Me and my team use daily to source. We do not use anything else. There's no secret. It's just the target list and putting time checking those sales. That's it. That's my whole business. My business does not rely on anything else. It's just the target list and stuff that I figured out from sales that are literally on the target list, from websites that are literally on the target list. That's it. I'm not sourcing from a website that is not on the target list. If I'm actually sourcing from a website, it's going to the target list, because literally the email that because when you source from a website, here's the thing, when you source from a website, you start receiving those newsletters. And if we receive newsletter from a website, it is going to the target list. This website is on the target list, 100%. This is a website that we are tracking. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.